Hey everybody, my name is John and I've created this page so we can do spoken word videos, uh, poems, uh, stories, whatever you would like, but it's all must be video, and you can submit it and I will post them as long as uh, none of them are mean or excessively dirty or anything like that. I want this to go out to anybody who is into art, who likes going to open mic nights. If you'd like to do songs or whatever, that is fine also. Um, and I hope you all enjoy it. So please join, do your own stuff. Um, if you want to do somebody else's, if you want to read like Poe or whatever like that, please provide attribution, you know, or say it right at the beginning. Say, I'm doing Walking by the Snowy Woods on a Winter Evening by Robert Frost, and then go to it. Uh, this is going to be pretty free and easy, and I hope that you all enjoy it. Thank you.